background ko, seashore. Seashells by the seashore.
Seashore.
We should be
Well,
here.
alam mo yun,
No, we
well, to
should
believe
dress
it,
like
alam mo
what our
yun, I mean,
backdrop is.
the, oh, okay,
You have
okay,
to
okay.
go?
Oh, no. Si
Don't go
Direk
yet.
Eric is just going to smoke. Can we say that on air?
Yes, we can. We can even say tanga
Okay.
on air and Eric Mati, secret ba na he smokes? Hindi siguro cigarettes naman
Oo
yan.
nga, no? Hindi niya ito secret. Yeah, no,
Com-
we're finishing Kubot now. I mean, we're almost done. 5 days, no sleeping, everyone. Yeah,
yeah, you know,
it's a fun film.
Erwin, you're the most objective person I know. Like, you can switch your brain. So even if you're not part of it, would you ask us to watch Kubot?
Of course.
Seriously. It's a good film?
Of course, it's fun. It's fun. It's not, it's a popcorn film.
A
Don't
good
expect
popcorn
like
film.
hindi mo Ingmar Bergman, di ba?
It won't change my life, but it will certainly be a good
it
2
won't
hours.
it won't address the death of God, di ba? Alam mo yan, but
Ah.
it's fun naman.
Okay. At least that, you know what? That's so much more than all the other MMFFs have been.
It's fun naman. It's got June Sabayton as a feral aswang, di ba?
Wow. No, akala ko ba
I mean,
police?
Hindi, inspector na muna siya, and then naging aswang siya. And siya yung pinaka-wild na aswang.
Wait, yung kubot, it engulfs a person with its hair. June has no hair. Well, he does have bigote. Pero paano yun?
May bigote. Ang manly nga ng bigote ni June. Pero, no, I mean, there's Ramon Bautista, there's Ding Dong Dantes.
Hey, was Ramon Bautista serious in the film, or is he funny?
Well, no, I mean, when he plays serious, he's even more funnier.
That doesn't say much. Is that right?
Yeah, but it's got other stars like Del Daza, and it's got also Lot, as Derek Eric mentioned. Of course, Ding Dong Dantes, Joey Marquez. And a very, very, you have to stay until the end. There's a very, very interesting cameo in the end.
Was that you?
No. Interesting nga eh.
Okay, because somebody tweeted, his name is Hendrik Oliva. Please give my regards to Sir Erwin kasi wala siyang social media. Idol ka daw niya.
Wala talaga social media.
And the other one said, ang nostalgic ng boses ni Tita Gang. Ako yan. Parang nagbalik college ako sa NU 107 era. Matanda na siguro to.
Salamat
I know. Yung sex
Tapos
doll.
UP.
Yeah, maybe taga-UP siya. I'm not sure. Rock Ed Radio NU 107 era. Now watching via Ustream. Hello, Direct Eric Mati. Swabing usapan, sabi ni Jericho 2C. See, people are actually listening to us.
Pero, yeah, we're almost done with Kubot. So, yeah, we hope you all see it. It's fun. I mean, yun nga. It's not, it's
not Ingmar Bergman.
Not Ingmar Bergman. It's not the Silence of God trilogy, by no means. But it's fun.
Wait, is there anything we can expect from Esquire this month? Other than the tiny Grace cover.
The Grace Poe issue cover, it's about the future. Because I think no matter what happens in 2016, I think in the next 5 years, you will be hearing more of Grace Poe.
She will play, she'll play a big role.
She will certainly be playing a bigger role as the years go by. In the next 5 years, in 5 years from now, I think she'll be something we might not
She'll
even
play a
expect.
crucial role. Yeah.
She'll be a crucial role in the shaping of the country. And also we have other people who we think in 5 years their work will matter.
They will feature prominently in the changes.
Yeah. And then we also have dispatches from 2019, 2019, written by several people about areas like sex, politics, internet, fashion, writing from that year. So it's like science fiction.
Nice.
You know what? About politics.
I always say I'll never join government, but seriously, I think if Grace becomes president, I would like to join government, work with her.
Oh, why not? Why not?
So, di ba? Kahit kahit Bucor, as if. No.
Yeah,
no,
well,
I don't.
No,
I'll probably join government.
Survey because I'm not online, diba? So somebody sent me the survey that Grace Poe was number 2 exactly when our cover came out, and Mar Rojas really dropped,
Really?
Poor Mar.
Maybe we're surveying in the wrong neighborhoods. I think Mar is still up there. Seriously, they respond to him.
In Araneta Center.
Yeah, let's hope. Yeah. right?
Maybe
Hey,
they're
I
not
have
gonna
a
make
question.
yeah.
Mar is dropping in surveys, meaning to win an election is really kind of super uphill for him. But do you think he can run a country?
No,
Whoa, really? I think he can. I think he can.
no.
He has, you know,
Well, judging from his performance in Zamboanga and then in Tacloban, I doubt it.
really. Wow, that's strong word. You know, your brother likes Mar. He's supportive
Uh,
of Mar
well,
Rojas.
well, my brother was excited for the for Alanis Morissette's second album. So let's leave it at that.
Okay. Hey, you know, if you want to see the Pope while you're here, shouldn't we feature him for Esquire? If I get access, do you think I should interview the
Yeah,
Pope?
why not? Why not? Make a selfie like Rudy Farinas.
No, that's so disrespectful. I mean, sorry, I wouldn't want a selfie with the Pope. That's too
You want?
scary.
But I think he's okay with selfies.
Yeah, pero parang nakakahiya, di ba? Hindi ba yun? I'm actually helping
Uh,
out a network when the Pope comes to visit. Can you believe that? I'll be in the
oh, well,
studio for 2 days.
well,
Yeah.
maganda. I mean, alam mo yun? I mean, nagmumug na ako ng holy water, so baka pwede na.
Pwede na. Pwede, alam mo, our God is a forgiving God. Oh, I read that
Oh,
somewhere.
well,
No
yeah.
matter
I
what
mean,
you do, He will forgive you. Kaya yan, ang
well,
daming
alam mo, in
umaabuso eh.
Esquire nga we have a story on the assassination and the attempt on the Pope here in the Philippines in 1970.
Yeah.
That's another story we have. Yeah,
Did you?
by this Bolivian artist. Yeah.
I have a good story with the bishop. I should write it for you on the
Mm,
Catholic Church.
yeah.
Seriously.
Yeah, I mean the Pope. Yeah, I like him. I mean, I know, I'd share a beer with him.
He likes dogs, you know? He'll
He
always.
likes dogs. Yeah, well, alam mo yan. I mean, that makes two of us. We got
Yes!
more in common than I think we do.
I think
Oh,
so.
he's Catholic too, pala. So yeah, but the best things he ever said was, "Who am I to judge?" With those words,
Oh my God, kanta
he's
yan.
my.
Who am I to judge what
Who
you
am I to
say? Oh,
judge?
di ba may
Diba?
song na
Yeah,
ganun? What
yeah.
you say or do. No. Wait, I have a question. When
Mm.
you Kubot is only coming out for the film festival, right? Does it ever
The Metro
run?
Manila Film Festival. Yeah.
And that's it. That's one run. Di ka naman hindi na yan mag-theater run after. Or we don't know.
No,
We'll
no,
find out.
no, 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 no. Hopefully we make a lot of money now, and that's it.
Then, oh,
But it's
I
it's the
want to
most
watch
fun
it.
you'll have in the cinema on December 25.
I think I'll watch it. Bakit? Wala bang
Yeah.
Vic Soto Fantasy number 16? Wala bang ganun?
Well, alam mo yan. I mean, that if that floats your boat. But
What's the
alam mo yan,
name of the show? Enteng Kabisote 25. Meron bang ganun?
And I don't know, but if there is, there should be. If there is, I'm not so sure, but not so sure. But well, it could be good. I always
Erwin,
have hope. Hope
Vic
springs
Soto
eternal. Can't but
does
dream.
not age. Vic Soto does not age. I mean,
Well, he has the love of young virgins, diba?
gago. Hindi. Dude, isipin mo. Sino yung dati niyang girlfriend? Dina Bonnevie, di ba? Tapos
Well,
merong
asawa.
asawa, sorry. Connie Reyes.
Oh, bakit ba ganyan? Connie
Umabot
Reyes
pa siya
Mumaaw.
ngayon kay Pauline Luna na mukhang
Pauline Luna.
inaanak ng anak ni Connie Reyes. Di ba?
Well,
But he looks the same. He should be featured in
alam mo,
Esquire.
okay naman si Vic Soto.
I should
mean, alam mo
interview
yan,
him. I should
bossy siya eh.
Baka natutulog siya sa Ziploc. Parang hindi siya tumatanda eh.
Well, alam mo yun, I mean, if you have as much sex as he does, I mean, I'm sure.
I'm not sure. Is sex like a fountain of youth thing? I'm sure I've seen people age because of sex.
Okay, well.
Well, it depends
Well,
who they're having sex with, I suppose.
Exactly. I mean, if you've got the harem of Vic Soto, then I mean, I think you're good.
Yes, nakakabata yun, no? We should feature him on Esquire. I might see him at the wedding of Isa. Hey, what do you think of that? Isa got married.
What? Why not?
Isa married
He should.
his lady love in
Lisa.
California. Lisa. Remember them? You met them in my house.
Yeah, they should get married. Why not?
And they are married now.
Oh, they're good.
And they're going to have a ceremony here in the Philippines in January.
Oh, yeah, alam mo yun. I mean, great, alam mo yun. And then once divorce is finally, passed as a bill here, law here, then that's great.
Alam mo, ang
Gay marriage
daming
and divorce.
Alam mo, ang daming negative comments on the marriage of Isa and Lisa. Well, they're mostly from the Christian groups. Like it's not.
Well, they're
It's
bigots.
not natural. It's not blah.
And they're
And there's
bigots.
some legal opinions on it. Like, okay, fine, you got married in California, but you're not recognized sa Philippines. Ganyan. Parang, can't
Alam
we
mo
just
yun.
be happy for
Alam mo yun.
them?
Alam mo, I mean, I think marami pang, tuunan ng pansin kaysa sa, what people do. Alam mo yun, two people in love. Alam mo yun, maybe
Oo nga.
there are better ways to, to spend your time. But online naman is always for time wasters naman eh. So, alam mo yun. So, I have little or no interest for social media. Alam mo yun. So, alam mo yun, whatever they say really does not touch me.
I know. Don't you miss it? You know, I
No, I
joined
do
Twitter
not.
because of you. We used to plan where to meet up on Twitter
No,
with sila Myrene
I'm
and
sure.
stuff.
Yeah, I joined Facebook. I invited so many people. It's by invite only. And I
And
just
you
left
boot
because,
you
I just thought it was useless.
and nag-eject button ka kaagad.
Yeah.
And then
And
there's
then I
even
joined Twitter.
Erwin. There's a fake Erwin Romulo Facebook account. Did you know that?
I've heard of it, but alam mo, I mean,
Pag
knock
famous,
yourself
no?
out, bud.
And you know how my friend said, I figured that wasn't the real Erwin because you and Lord weren't his friends. I'm like, what? There's an Erwin
yeah.
Facebook account.
Yeah, there's an Erwin Facebook account. But it doesn't really matter to me. I mean, it doesn't. I mean, it's like when being in somebody's wet dream. Alam mo yun, you give them joy, but you don't have to participate.
Yes. Yes. That's true. You can't stop that. Sorry na
You
lang.
can't stop that. If you give them joy, diba? I mean, alam mo yun, somebody masturbates over you, that's fine. But just as long as you're not there in that doing that with them, diba?
And
That's
maybe
fine.
as long as we don't know, you know,
Yeah, alam mo yun, if the ideation lang, then that's fine.
it doesn't hurt you, right? Maybe it's just a gross thought. Depends who it is.
It's a growth. No, it doesn't.
Well, it's not a gross thought, I suppose. It's a natural thought.
Ako, I mean, I'm all for making people happy. That's what I'm about. That's what I was born to do.
That's what magazines are for. We were just talking about that, my friends and I. Like, guys can masturbate in the bathroom, but girls can't.
Girls masturbate. I didn't know
Yes,
that.
yeah. Well, yeah, I read, yeah. I
I
heard.
didn't know.
But
I did
not
I
in
did
the
not get
bathroom.
the text message.
Pero not daw in the bathroom kasi the tiles are cold.
Ganon. Beats me. Alam mo, I really wouldn't know.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam. Yun lang yung conversation namin the other day. Needless to say, thank you for taking the time out to take my phone call online.
Yeah.
I figured this is my version of Mohammed Mountain Go whatever to you.
Wala.
You guys aren't
Duty
here,
calls
so-
here kasi deadline is tomorrow eh.
You know, you and Lord can't come tonight. I call you both up on air without asking
Okay.
permission.
Oh.
Right?
Oh, yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Thank you for taking my call. Kubot in the
Okay.
theaters.
What on December 25, starring
December 25.
Ding Dong Dantes, Joey Marquez, Lot De Leon.
I heard she's good in the film. I heard.
Yeah, June Sabayton, Ramon Bautista, and a gaggle of other people.
A gaggle. I know that
A
sounds.
gaggle
that
of other
sounds
people.
good.
Yeah.
I think that's it. Thanks, Erwin. Say
Yeah,
bye to
okay.
Eric again. Kubot,
All right.
Metro Manila Film Festival,
All
a
right.
delightful popcorn
Yep.
film.
Okay.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Hey,
Bye.
we talked to Erwin on air. That's awesome. How do I cut this? I'm trying. Can you send the address to Chino? Yeah. Wait. Sobrang traffic. No, just type it out here. Sorry. This is Rocket Radio on podcast.ph. I need to play this because it's good.
Can you adjust the frequency and volume a bit?
Can I play a song?
Startups, originators, música, cultura, the arts, politika, sports, news, technology, crime, tragedy, comedy, lahat ng makabuluhan.
We are your independent podcast content creator, straight from the Philippine Islands. Mabuhay.
You're listening to podcast.ph.
This is podcast.ph. Oh, sorry. My mistake. This is Rocket Radio on podcast.ph. Rocket Radio has two other co-hosts, Lourdes De Vera and Erwin Romulo. I'm Gang, and they're not here. So what I did, to summarize, I called Lourdes, and we ended up talking to Jim Libiran, who is a film director, very well known for his film Tribu in Cinemalaya Once Upon a Time. And then the second half, I called Erwin Romulo, the other host. If you notice, there are two chairs. And he was with Eric Mati, director of On the Job. It's my favorite film. and also directing and finishing the sound and the music of Kubot, which is coming out in theaters December 25. I'm no topic. Yeah, because they were supposed to be here. I was supposed to talk about. So, ang weird nito, man. Nakita nyo ba ako? Pang weird. Sobrang ilong ko lang kausap ko tsaka yung camera. Hi. Sure boy, nakabik. Isang, di ba rin na? So, marami namang nagte-text sa akin na nakikinig sila. Needless to say, iniwanan ako ng co-host ko. But that's what we're about. Rocket Radio must go on. No politician pays us. No politician sponsors anything. We're not campaigning for anyone because I think, I don't know, it's a bit insulting if I need to have a radio show to campaign for someone. I think that's stupid. You be a radio show because you ask the right questions. People will answer even if no one's listening. Gosh, it's so weird. Hey, did you hear about the radio show of Erwin Tulfo? The one he wrote yung na-cancel because allegedly the B-Nice came in and... Is that true? Karambola. Did you hear about that? Someone's nodding. What happened there? There's a radio show and Junjun and the B-Nice allegedly can't accuse that the radio show broke down because of the B-Nice. Maybe it was really ending. Right? But then, you know, I want to guess Nancy Bina here someday or Senator Nancy Bina. I got to interview her for Esquire. I think she's a wonderful girl. Seriously, she's so kind and warm and etc. No matter what your political leanings are, as her sitting in front of me, okay siya. As a legislator, maybe the opinion is open for other opinions. But I think as a girl to girl, someone younger than me, she's okay. I guess. I haven't really studied her legislative record. Grace Poe, however, I've known since high school. She's a brilliant girl. Si Grace Poe was a good older batch kasi siya sa akin eh. Sobrang okay yun. Wait, I'm looking for a song, sir. Dali. If you just tuned in, this is Rocket Radio on podcast.ph. And I'm gonna play a spot. I'm gonna play our 10-year-old ad from NU107. Listen.
This summer, school ends so your education begins. NU107 and Rock Ed Philippines bring you Rock Ed Radio. 1 hour of sharp talk and suspended music, frank discussions on things we don't know about society and things we all know but never talk about. Music powered by Terna Recordings and cool guests.
Sino?
Hosted by Gang Baroy of Rock Ed Philippines and Lord de Vera of Radioactive Sago Project.
Okay.
Sunday nights at 8 on the home of New Rock because knowledge is the new rock and roll. Learning begins on April Fools.
That's so cool. This is King Most. It's a song called San Fran to Tokyo. I love this song. This has been Rock Ed Radio. My name's Gang on podcast.ph. This is a beach. So we play songs like this.